Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Toyota Sequoia. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This unmistakably stylish and powerful Sequoia is ready to take you wherever the road leads. It offers a spacious, refined cabin, the latest in safety and driver assistance tech, premium infotainment and connectivity, available features to optimize off-road and towing capabilities, and a host of creature comforts. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, navigation system, sunroof, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, premium sound system, fog lamps, tire pressure monitoring system, front tow hooks. You'll feel relaxed and secure on every journey in this well-built Sequoia, and our team will see that you receive an outstanding customer service experience. Why not treat yourself to a test drive today?